Today I want to clean a small shelter in the forest. I was hiking there a couple of weeks ago and yeah, the whole place was trashed, bottles, cans everywhere, plastic on the floor. So I thought the place needs a bit of cleaning and yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. There it is. Yeah, this is what I mean. Bottles, plastic bags, trash on the floor, and look at this. Absolutely disgusting. As you can see, this place is a complete mess, and yeah, it's time to get to work. It's already spilling over into the forest here. Ah, broken glass, nice. What a bunch of losers. Look at that. I mean, if you have the power, if you have the energy to carry all those glass bottles into the middle of the forest here, then is it really so hard to just pick them up once you're done drinking and take them back? I don't get it. I really don't get it. Aluminium, even more glass. Plastic fork. I'm so happy that the EU banned those, because this is where they end up, in the middle of the nature here, and yeah, it will never decompose. So I'm quite happy that they are switching or mandating wooden or compostable forks, single-use forks now. Okay, I tried my best to get everything that has spilled over from the shelter into the forest here out, but yeah, there are so many leaves and a lot of broken glass, which makes it really hard. Yeah, I don't see anything at the moment, but there's still probably a lot of plastics and broken glass pieces underneath there. So yeah, this is all the trash that I was able to get just from the under the leaves here, under the cabin. Look at that, all this trash. Okay, let's check some best before dates to see how long this has been here. I think I already see one. 2022, May of 2022. What do we have here? Unfortunately, it's already gone, but yeah, that also says a lot about how long this has been here. Anything else? Nope. And now it's time to clean the inside of the shelter here. There's also a lot of trash here. Oops. Okay. It's looking as bad as I expected. The whole floor is covered in shit. paper, muesli riegel, bottle cap, plastic bags, another bottle cap, just look how long they have been here. Completely rusty. Ah, a nice little lunch bag. Beautiful. Cigarette butts, I hate those. Not only plastic, but they're also polluting the groundwater. Another one. Another one. String. Another cigarette butt. Glass. More glass. It's the whole floor. It's the whole damn floor. I don't get it. I really don't. I mean, these people, they come out here because it's beautiful. It's a beautiful view here. It's nice. You're out in nature, but then just trash the whole place. I don't get it. Okay. Another bottle cap. Glass. But that's looking good. And that's another 25 cents. Oops. 48 cents so far. Unfortunately, we don't have a deposit for those ones, which is sad. I think we definitely need one. Ah, there's another best before date. September 2020, so this is at least 3 years old. Unfortunate. Very unfortunate. And usually I would separate the glass from the other general waste here, but unfortunately we are, as you can see, in the middle of a forest, and I'm here with my bike, so I cannot get that to the next recycling station, which is unfortunate. But yeah, at least the trash is out of the forest here, so that's good. Alright, the benches look clean again. That's all natural. So yeah, now it's time for the floor. I don't think that's supposed to be here. I think they brought it as a bench or something. So this will go to. This is going to. Okay. Alright, I think I'm almost done. I just picked up all the stuff that was on the floor here and behind the bench. And yeah, that's all the stuff that was just behind there, so yeah, professional litterers. Yeah, let's get that in the bag. I thought I was done, but I just looked behind the shelter here and there's this piece of fake wood. I don't think that's supposed to be here, and of course they poop and pee behind the shelter, so yeah, I need to clean that up too. But then once I've done that, I'm done. Yeah, no way I'm touching that. There's another one. Okay, I think I've got it. Okay, I did it. The whole shelter is cleaned. The forest floor here before the shelter, the floor in the actual shelter, the benches, the seats, and yeah, it's looking pretty good again. And yeah, for once I think people actually might want to use that shelter while hiking here in the forest, because before that it was completely trash. The benches were full with bottles, and yeah, as you can see, it was like 3 years ago. Yeah, 3 years ago was the oldest item I could find, so this has probably been like that for at least 3 years. So yeah, it's good that everything is out now and it's looking good again. And this is all the trash I found. Those two, yeah, I think improvised tables, that's what that was supposed to be. And of course a full bag with all the glass, plastics and the other bottles, yeah, cans, bottle caps, a lot of bad stuff that they left here, but yeah, now it's out.